Hey, this is Diễm Hằng and welcome to my kitchen. Today is very special dessert. This dessert is for Starbucks lovers and strawberry fans. This dessert is like a strawberry frappuccino from Starbucks. My version is strawberry frappuccino tiramisu, strawberry flavored and mascarpone cream and coffee syrup with lady fingers. Put in a mason jar. That is wonderful desserts to make at home. For the recipes, let's start with the ganache whip. This ganache whip I prepare a day before. 450 gram heavy cream, 190 gram white chocolate, 300 ml strawberries puree. I use frozen berries throw in the fridge overnight. 8 gram of non-flavored gelatin, or you can use 1 package of strawberry jelly. Add 3 tablespoons of cold water. Let the gelatin bloom in cold water and set aside. In a saucepan, add the heavy cream and strawberries puree. Bring it to boil. Add the cheese, 350 gram mascarpone cheese, and the gelatin. Then white chocolate. Stir until the mixture is smooth. Then transfer to container and keep it cold in the fridge overnight. On the next day, whip the ganache to stiff. Now for the syrup time. To make the coffee syrup, I use the espresso decaf espresso from Starbucks. I add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and cold water to fill up 2 cups of syrup. So this is 2 cups of coffee and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Slice the strawberries and place them around the jar. Dice some for the filling and decorating on the top. Break the lady fingers in half so they fit the mason jar, and dip the cookies into the coffee syrup and place the cookies inside the mason jar. To start a layer, pipe the whipped ganache. Sprinkle cocoa powder, then layer diced strawberries. Then repeat another layer until the jar is full. Finish the rest of the jar. And that's it. Oh, that is so simple and so fun to make. Yay! Decoration with berries and mint leaves. Hey, this strawberry frappuccino looks so nice and delicious, right? Yeah, let me know if you try this. And until next time, thank you. Bye.